Welcome to Daily Quiz Time YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to guess 50 quiz questions about Mars.
10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
What is Mars often called due to its reddish appearance? The red planet. Which planet is Mars in order from the Sun? It's fourth. What is the name of the largest volcano on Mars? Olympus Mons. Primary component of Mars' atmosphere. Carbon dioxide. How many moons does Mars have? Yes, it's 2. What are the names of Mars' moons? Phobos and Deimos. Which spacecraft was the first to successfully land on Mars? Viking 1. What is the average temperature on Mars? -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -62 degrees Celsius. How long is a day on Mars, a sol? 24.6 hours. How long does it take Mars to orbit the Sun? 24.6 hours. What causes Mars' red color? Iron oxide, rust. Which mission discovered evidence of ancient water flows on Mars? Opportunity. What is the name of the largest canyon on Mars? Valles Marineris. Which country successfully landed the Jerome rover on Mars? China. What is the name of NASA's helicopter that flew on Mars? Ingenuity. Which planet is Mars closest to in size? Earth. What is the gravity on Mars compared to Earth? The answer is 1/3. Which Mars rover discovered evidence of an ancient lakebed? It's Curiosity. What is the name of the 2020 NASA rover that collected samples on Mars? Perseverance. What is the highest mountain in the solar system? Olympus Mons. Which gas is most abundant in Mars' thin atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. What is the main reason Mars has a thin atmosphere? Magnetic field. Which mission first detected methane on Mars? Mars Express. What is the name of the region where NASA's Perseverance rover landed? Jezero crater. How long does it take for a signal to travel from Mars to Earth? Which planet is visible from Mars with the naked eye? It's Venus. What is the name of Mars' polar ice caps? Planum boreum and Planum australe. What is the main component of Mars' polar ice caps? Yes, dry ice, CO2. Which year did the first successful Mars rover, Sojourner, land? It's 1997. What is the name of the hypothetical ocean that may have existed on Mars? Borealis Ocean. Which spacecraft took the first close-up images of Mars? Mariner 4. What is the estimated age of Mars? 4.6 billion years. What is the name of the Martian dust storms that can cover the entire planet? Global dust storms. Which element is not commonly found on Mars? It's gold. What is the name of the Mars mission that included the rover, Spirit? Mars Exploration Rover. How many times has NASA successfully landed rovers on Mars, as of 2023? 5. What is the name of the proposed future human colony on Mars? Mars 1. Which famous scientist proposed using a Mars Cyclers system for travel? Buzz Aldrin. What is the main challenge for human missions to Mars? Radiation exposure. Which Mars rover holds the record for the longest operational time? Opportunity. What is the name of the Mars rock that sparked debate about potential fossilized life? ALH 84001. Which country was the first to reach Mars orbit? USSR. What is the name of the Mars lander that studied seismic activity? It's InSight. Which mission aims to return Mars samples to Earth? Mars Sample Return. What is the estimated travel time for a human mission to Mars with current technology? 7 months. What is the name of the dark region on Mars often mistaken for a face? Cydonia. Which Mars rover carried the first Martian helicopter? Perseverance. What is the main goal of the Perseverance rover? Search for past life. Which planet is Mars often compared to due to similar surface features? It's Earth. What is the name of the largest impact basin on Mars? Hellas Planitia.
I hope you got many points. Subscribe now and get more points.